Hey friends, if you wish to change the Google Docs paper size, then please watch this video. So we can use the zoom to make it a little bigger or smaller. But here's the thing, it will still remain in the same dimensions, which is A4. So if you mean the physical paper size, then you will have to change it while printing. You'll have to click on, I'll show you, click on File and then select print and then select the paper type, whether you want it in the A4 size or some other size. But if you want to change the paper size, on the document itself, then you can use it using the zoom feature here. And if you want to change the size from landscape to a portrait or portrait to landscape, then click on file and then select page setup. You can change it to landscape or you can revert it to portrait. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.